Hi, today we're going to be going over how to convert a spark into an opportunity in your TechnoMile Growth Suite. Let's start by logging into our Growth Suite. From here, we can select the Sparks tab. This will show us a list of all sparks that we currently have in our system. So from here, we can just go ahead and select a spark that we are looking to convert to an opportunity. By clicking on the spark, it'll open up the detail page. And up here at the top, you'll notice a Create/Link Opportunity button. We can click that. And it'll ask us if we want to create an opportunity or link to an existing opportunity. In this case, we're going to create a new one. Next, it'll ask us which record type. Your company might have different record types in the out of the box, but for now, I'm going to select regular. Next, it'll just pull up a quick screen and ask you to fill out some details based on what was not available in the Spark record. You'll notice that it does map as much as it possibly can from the Spark record, but it can't know everything such as like the stage for your company, etc. This screen is completely customizable and configurable by your company, and please ask your company admin to set the screen up if it has not been fully set up to your company's needs. After you're done filling out the necessary fields, we can click Save. And the opportunity has been created. It will now take us to the opportunity, and that opportunity is also linked back to the existing Spark record.